Welcome to Medmart.com. I'm here with one of Pride Mobility's newest power wheelchairs. It's lightweight, it's portable, it's carbon fiber. I mean, you can just pick this thing right up. It only weighs 27.5 pounds. It has a 275-pound weight capacity. It has some of the newest technology on the market. Let's get into some of the specs, warranty, and other information. I know you're going to love this power wheelchair. If you've ever struggled with transporting a power wheelchair or felt like they're just too bulky for everyday life, this is going to feel like a completely different experience. This is the Jazzy Carbon 27, and what makes it stand out right away is how lightweight and easy it is to handle. It's built with a carbon fiber frame, and at just under 28 pounds without the battery, it's genuinely designed for real-life portability, not just light for a power chair. So whether you're loading it into a car, bringing it with you to appointments, or just storing it at home, it makes the whole process simpler and makes you more independent. And once you're in it, it still gives you the performance you need for everyday use. It has a tight turning radius, just over 33 inches, so it handles really well in smaller spaces like stores, restaurants, or around the house. You're getting a top speed of about 3.7 miles per hour and a driving range of up to 9 miles, which is perfect for daily errands, appointments, or just getting out and enjoying your life. It also comes with features that make a difference day to day, like under-seat storage for your essentials, a lap belt for added security, and a simple joystick that can be mounted on either side. This is really built for everyday life, getting around your home, going out shopping, meeting friends, and also feeling like you're not dealing with a big, bulky piece of equipment. And that's the biggest difference with this chair. It's not trying to be heavy duty. It's designed to be easy to lift, easy to store, and easy to use. So if you're looking for something lightweight, travel-friendly, and built for real everyday convenience, the Jazzy Carbon 27 is a really strong option.